Okay, wait, it's here. I'm so excited. I'm unboxing the brand new 2025 to 2026, the Everygirl Times Day Designer Collection at Kohl's, and I already know that I'm going to be obsessed. First up, it looks like we have this beautiful light green planner. It's hardcover with this soft linen fabric texture, and it just looks so elevated. This feels very fresh, and the fabric texture is just so different from any other planner I've seen. Next up is this large blush pink planner with a flexible plastic cover. This one's super spacious, and it's perfect if you need all of the room for to-do lists, appointments, random notes, and anything else you keep in your planner. This little pink floral one is just so cute. It's definitely one of my favorites in this collection. It's small and has a hard cover, which makes it feel sturdy. This would totally be my take it everywhere planner since it fits perfectly in any bag. How pretty is this floral pattern? They really nail it with the designs every single time. This planner also has the plastic flexible cover and is a smaller planner that can fit in any bag. Last but not least, the wall calendar. It has the same floral vibe and runs from July 2025 through June 2026. They all have gold wire binding and seriously thoughtful details. Monthly and weekly layouts, goal pages, inspirational quotes, monthly reflection pages, stickers, and so much more. What makes the Day Designer collection with the Everygirl so special is the thoughtful addition of resources at the back of each planner, packed with inspiring content straight from the Everygirl.com. You'll find everything from wellness routine refresh ideas and financial wellness tips to effective communication strategies, Sunday rituals to start your week strong, uplifting affirmations, and so much more. They seriously nail it every single time. You can find this particular collection in stores at Kohl's or just head to the links in the description to shop this collection online. Let me know which design is your favorite in the comments. Enjoy!